Hey Osman, Dr. Murad, how are we? This video is especially to thank you for all the good job that you have done with my hair. I literally have a full head now. Check that out. Now I can comb my hair, which is pretty good. I didn't have any hair before. Getting 1 year into the hair transplant, I think within 6 months I had my hair started to grow, and it feels so good, so better with a full head of hair. Look at that. That's amazing. I like the great job that you guys did. Keep it up, and thank you so much for having me and getting my hair fixed for me. Hair in Istanbul, that's the way to go. Thank you.